Hi everybody, it's Kai, and I'm going to show you this cool Nerf gun. It's not really a Nerf gun, it's actually a Jaguar gun by Air Warriors by Buzbee Toys, like this. So I'm going to reload it, and you'll get to see me shoot it on my mirror. I actually really like this gun better than a whatchamacallit. And as you can see, my room doesn't look so pleasant, but it's actually really clean. So I'm actually going to shoot it, and it's supposed to stick. But it has like these little knobs, like that sticks to stuff. And I'm pretty sure you can use Nerf gun ammos in these. I just haven't really ever used them. As you can see, I'm using my iPad. I'm out. When you run out, so you can always reload like that, or push it back up. But you have to bring it back all the way, and then shoot. But I'm out. I'm going to keep doing that, so you can see how to reload it again. I'm actually just going to show you. I think I'm out. So all you do is just push it right back to down until it won't go down anymore. And then there you go. So I'm going to go collect the bullets. And you'll get to see me put them back in. Oops. It fell. It fell. Uh-oh. Okay. So I'm pretty sure you can only see the gun and probably my legs. I'm just getting the gun right now. And I'm just reloading. There you go, it just does that. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, rate, and follow me. And bye, kids, guys!